Hi guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel kung saan ang math ay mas pinadadali at mas minamahal. For today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ba mag-solve ng mga problems involving combinations. At for sure, after mo matapos ang video na ito, ay alam mo na yung gagawin mo sa pagsasolve ng mga problems mo. Okay? Ngayon, bago ko simulan ng video tutorial na ito, siguraduhin na munang napindot nyo na dyan ng like button. Sige na mga anak, sana auto-like na pag nanood kayo ng video, ha? At syempre, kung bago ka pa lang sa aming YouTube channel, pindutin mo na rin dyan ang subscribe button. Huwag mag-alala, hindi ka magsisisi. At syempre, pindutin mo na rin dyan ang notification bell para lagi kang maging updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko. Okay na, na-like, na-subscribe at na-hit na rin ang notification bell. Kung okay na, tara na, simulan na natin. Okay, for your learning task number 2, you have to choose wisely, choose me. Okay, solve the following problems completely. Now, if there are 14 teams in a basketball tournament and each must play every other team in the eliminations, how many elimination games will there be? So, ilang eliminations? Kailangan malaman natin ilang combinations ba ang meron para malaman natin kung ilang eliminations ang magkakaroon tayo. Okay? So, alam naman natin na kapag nagkakaroon ng basketball tournament, ilang team ang magkalaban? Diba? 2 per game. Okay? Hindi naman pwedeng isa ka lang. Sino yung kalaban mo o 3 kayo, di ba? So, yung N mo dito ay 14. Tapos, yung R mo will be 2 kasi 2 teams at a time. So, 2 team kada game. Okay, so the formula for combination is the combination of N taken R at a time is N factorial over R factorial times N minus R factorial. Okay, kabisaduhin tong formula, ha? So, you will have here 14 factorial over 2 factorial, tapos 14 minus 2 factorial. So, you will have here 14 factorial over 2 factorial. What is 14 minus 2? You have there 12 factorial. O, dito ko na isulat, ha? So, you will have here 14 times 13 times 12. O, hanggang 12 na lang, ha? Kasi makakancel lang naman yung 12 dito. Tapos, you have 2 times 1 times 12. Ito yung nasa denominator, kaya cancel na. Kasi pareho lang naman yan na continuous pa. Okay, now what is 14 times 13? So, you will have there, may makakancel pa tayo para hindi masyadong marami ito. I-cancel na natin dito to. So, ito magiging 7 kasi 14 divided by 2 is 7. Okay, so we have 7 times 13. We have there 91. Divided by 1 is still 91. So, we have 91 elimination games. Okay, yan yung combination ng games na magkakaroon tayo. For number 2, if there are 7 distinct points on a plane with no 3 or collinear, how many different polygons can be formed? Okay, so meron tayong 7 distinct points. Itong mga points na to ang pwedeng maging vertex or intersection ng mga sides natin sa specific polygon. Now, para makabuo tayo ng polygon, we have a minimum of 3 points, okay? Kailangan natin yan para makabuo ka ng triangle. Okay? And then, pwede tayong 4 for quadrilateral, 5 for pentagon, 6 for hexagon, and 7 for heptagon. So, ito yung gagawa natin ng combinations. Okay? Let's start with 3. So, we have here 7 yung pagpipilian mong points, taken 3. Okay, ilang combinations meron dyan? So, meron ka ditong 7 factorial over 3 factorial and then 7 minus 7 minus 3 factorial. Yung formula, ha, hindi ko na naisulat. Sige, ilagay natin dito sa taas para guided kayo. So, we have NCR or combination of N taken R at a time is N factorial over R factorial and then N minus R factorial. Kaya yan naging ganito. Okay, so you have 7 factorial over 3 factorial, tas 7 minus 3 is a 4 factorial. Okay, so let's have this one. You will have here 7 times 6 times 5 times 4. Hanggang 4 na lang kasi maka-cancel naman natin yan dito. So, we have 3 times 2 times 1 and then times 4. Cancel na to. So, meron pa ba? Meron pa ito. 3 times 2 is 6. So, cancel yan. So, 7 times 5 is how many? 35 divided by 1 is 35. Okay, for triangles, so meron. So, meron tayo ditong 35. Sorry mga anak ha. Okay, now, let's have this naman for quadrilateral. So, we have here 7 or combination of 7 taken 4 at a time. So, we have here 7 factorial over 4 factorial and then 7 minus 4 factorial. Okay, so 7 times 7 factorial muna over 4 factorial. 7 minus 4 is 3 factorial. Kung mapapansin nyo mga anak, pareho lang, no? So, pareho lang yung magiging sagot dyan. Now, if you want to expand para sa solution, gawin nyo lang. Okay, pero ako hindi ko na pahahabain kasi same lang naman yan. Ang magiging answer dyan ay 35. Okay, now for 5. So, we have here combination of 7 taken 5 for pentagon. So, we have 7 factorial over 5 factorial and then 7 minus 5 factorial. You will have here 7 factorial over 5 factorial. What is 7 minus 5? You have 2 factorial. Okay, so you will have here 7 times 6 times 5. Para dito sa 5 factorial. Okay, lagay ko na to dito. And then 2 times 1 lang naman dito. Okay, so cancel ito. Tapos 6 divided by 2, pwede sila. So 3, 7 times 3 is 21 divided by 1 here, 21. Okay. So, for 6 naman, we have here the combination of 7 taken 6. So, 7 factorial over 6 factorial and then 7 minus 6 factorial. Okay. So, you have 7 factorial over 6 factorial, 1 factorial. At alam naman natin yung 1 factorial ay 1 lang, di ba? So, magiging 7 times 6 yan over 6. Kasi makakancel lang sa 6 factorial. Okay, cancel lang yan, ha? Kasi, kaya 6 na lang to kasi 6 times 1 factorial, which is 1 is 6. Now, this is now 7. Okay, para naman sa combination of 7 taken all of a time, lahat sila. So, you will have here 7 factorial over 7 factorial and then 7 minus 7 factorial. Okay, so you have 7 factorial over 7 factorial, 0 factorial. Ang 0 ay 1, di ba? So, you will have your 7 factorial over 7 factorial. Kaya, iyan ay 1 na lang. Okay, so hindi pa tapos. Kailangan i-add natin yung mga nakuha nating sagot. You have here 35 plus 35 plus 21 plus 7 plus 1. Tama ba? Dalawang 35 plus 21, okay, tama, plus 7 plus 1. O, let's see. 35 plus 35 is 70 plus 21 is 91 plus 7, 98 plus 1, 99. So, there are 99 polygons. Okay? Hala! Nakatsyempo ata kayo sa akin dito ah. Hindi ko ba nabago? Hala! Oh, mga ngiting tagumpay. Ramdam na ramdam ko. I-comment nyo nga dun yung mga ngiting tagumpay ninyo. For number 3, how many different sets of 4 cards each can arrange from a standard deck of 52 cards? Okay? So, medyo madali lang to ha. Ang N natin dito ay ano? Okay, tama, 52. Okay, ano ang R natin? Ang R natin ay 4. Okay, so you will have here combination of 52 taken 4. Okay, so you will have here 52 factorial over 4 factorial and then 52 minus 4 factorial. O, kabisaduhin nyo yung formula natin, ha? So, you will have 52 factorial over 4 factorial. What is 52 minus 4? You have 48 factorial. Okay, and then, let's have this factorial. Magiging, ito ay 52 times 51 times 50 times 49 times 48. Stop na tayo kay 48 ha, kasi makakancel lang naman siya. And then, you have here 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. times 48. Cancel lang ito. So, you will have this one. O, i-multiply natin ha. Gamit na tayo nito. You will have here 52 times 51 times 50 times 49. Okay, ilan lahat yan? That is this one. Gamit na tayo nito. For number 3, how many different sets of 4 cards each can arrange from a standard deck of cards? Okay? So, ang N natin dito ay ano? Sige nga. So, we have there 52. Correct. How about our R? We have 4. So, ayan lang yan. So, having the formula, you will have the combination of 52 taken 4. Okay, so you will have here 52 factorial over 4 factorial, and then 52 minus 4, and then factorial. Okay, so you will have here 52 factorial over 4 factorial. 52 minus 4 is 48. Ha, factorial. And then, yung mga factorials na, 52 times 51 times 50 times 49 times 48. Hanggang 48 na lang ha, para shortcut. And then, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 48. So, makakancel lang to. Okay, para mabilis, gamitin na natin itong pinagbabawal na technique ha. Kasi, para matapos na agad tayo. Okay, so we have here 52 times 51 times 50 times 49. And that is 6,497,400. Okay? So, ilagay natin dito. Ito ay 6,497,400 divided by 4 times 3. You have 12 times 2, 24. So, you have to divide it by 24. Okay? So, i-divide natin itong sagot natin by 24. So, your answer will be 270,725. 270,725. Ayan na, ganyan nyo lang gagawin yung 1, 2, 3 ninyo. At kung nagustuhan nyo ito at natulungan ko kayo, sana makatanggap ako ng kahit simpleng thank you lang dyan sa comment section natin, ha. Alam nyo naman na napakahalaga ang mga comments para ma-up ko itong video na ito. At syempre, makita din ng iba na matutulungan din natin. Okay? Kaya kasunduan na natin yan, ha. Sa tuwing manonood, mag-comment. At laging tandaan, let's spread the love of math. Thank you and bye!